Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews, where today we're checking out a 2024 Starcraft LX18 fishing pontoon. This was on display at the Daytona Beach Boat Show and was up for sale for only $32,900 plus tax tag and title. A big advantage with this one is this one's had a layout that's designed for fishing as well as cruising. She's powered by a Mercury 60 horse 4-stroke outboard. And the main difference you're going to find with this one compared to your normal pontoons is the seating arrangement. As you see here on the bow, you've got two individual seats. Basically, these are meant for casting. You've also got more additional deck space, and then that way you can carry out all your favourite fishing activities with a shallow draft pontoon. We also have here a live well, and again, it's just an extra feature for that fishing in mind. And then on the opposite side, you'll see we've got the boarding gate, but we also have this section in the seat that can expand out and give you a curtain like a shower curtain, so you get privacy if you need to get changed. As we head aft and you see the seating area, there's storage under here. There's also access to things like the batteries. And you'll notice it throughout the entire boat. There's drinks holders, there's speakers, and everything's got a really solid design to it, despite its size and low entry price into the market. We also have the sea weave flooring, and I like the fact that this is easily removable for cleaning. And then on the starboard side, we've got the helm, and there's plenty of space on the dash for you to fit your favourite multifunction display. You've already got the fuel, speed and revs on the left hand side. We've even got the Bluetooth stereo. On the right hand side, you get more toggle switches, all to do with the lights and the horn. And then notice overhead, we've got a bimini canopy cover. You can open this out and give plenty of shade and protection for everyone on board. And on the stern, we've got another door that leads out to basically a bathing platform. And you see we've got a boarding ladder. That boarding ladder is ideal not only for getting on and off the trailer, but also if you're into swimming and diving. So this one measures in at 19 feet in length. She's got a beam at 8 feet. She carries 21 gallons of fuel. She's got a dry weight of 1,425 pounds, and she's registered to carry 8 people. I think this is a tremendous entry-level pontoon. You could use cruising, you could do fishing, diving, swimming, all of the above. But as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. You can go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, if you can hit that like and subscribe button, it really does make a difference. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks everyone.